Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is just a quick video on how I install my Crochet Locs. I have actually done a few videos of me doing Crochet Locs in my channel. You can also check those out as well. This video is very simple. Just follow it until the end and trust me, you will know how to do crochet locks or braids by the time you finish watching this video. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you are old, welcome as well. Thank you guys so much for your support. If you like this video, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and also leave a comment down in the comment section below. Just let me know what you think. And also, if you haven't subscribed yet, do subscribe so that you can be part of the family. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys next time. Bye for now.